In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana portfolios to manage your projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a portfolio, pick the right settings, add your projects, and share it with your team so everyone stays aligned. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. From the left sidebar, find and select Portfolios. This is your command center for high-level visibility across multiple projects, so it's the perfect place to track progress, deadlines, and team load in one spot. Next, create a new portfolio. Click the New Portfolio button and give it a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it instantly obvious what work lives here, like a department, a program, or a quarter. Consider including a time frame or owner in the title if that helps your team scan quickly. Now, choose the privacy setting. Decide who should be able to see and collaborate on this portfolio. Keep it private while you're drafting if needed, or open it to the relevant team so stakeholders can view status as soon as you add projects. The key is matching visibility to the sensitivity of the work. Set your default view to control what you and your stakeholders see first. You'll typically choose between list, timeline, or workload. The list view gives you a clean, spreadsheet-style overview of projects with status, due dates, and custom fields front and center. Timeline focuses on schedules across projects, so it's great for spotting overlaps and managing cross-project dependencies. Workload highlights team capacity, helping you see who's over or under allocated at a glance, as long as your projects track effort consistently. Pick the view that best matches how your team makes decisions day to day. You can still switch views anytime. When your basic setup looks right, continue to the next screen and start adding projects. Search for existing projects by name and add the ones you want to monitor together. It's smart to start with your critical initiatives or anything reporting to the same leader, goal, or milestone, so your portfolio immediately provides meaningful insights. With your projects in place, share the portfolio with teammates and stakeholders. Invite the people who need visibility or input, and make sure they have the right access level. Sharing early encourages consistent updates and reduces one-off status requests. Finally, open the portfolio to review it live. You can scan status, sort by priority or due date, and switch between list, timeline, and workload to answer different questions about progress, timing, and capacity. That's it. You've set up an Asana portfolio that keeps your projects organized and your team aligned.